Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my February scrapbookingstore.com kit club kit. That's always a mouthful and I always feel like I have to concentrate really hard to say it so that I say it right. So first off, we're going to dive in. This month we are using the Cartabella Flower Market paper kit by Jen Allison. This kit is absolutely gorgeous. So what you get is you get all of the papers. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I think that's front and back. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you get 9 pieces of pattern paper, and they are good quality pattern papers. That's one amazing thing about Cartabella is the paper quality is amazing. So you get 9 papers, front and back patterns, and then you also get a sticker sheet. 2 of the sheets are also cut aparts, which is always fun to have those, especially when I'm doing a lot of pocket pages lately. So that'll be kind of fun to probably incorporate a few of those cards into layouts and pocket pages. Okay, so without further ado, here we go. This is Flower Market by Jen Allison for Cartabella. Okay, so first off, we have this gorgeous floral. First off, we have this gorgeous floral. And then on the back of it is this nice stripe. This paper is called Flower Market Floral. Very perfect for that. So there's that pretty color, or pretty floral. Then we have, this is one of the cut apart sheets. This is a 3x4, so all of these are 3x4s. I love all of them. The problem with that though is the background I love probably just as much. This one is called 3x4 journaling cards. It doesn't want to focus on the pattern, but it's a really pretty pattern. And then here you can see all of these pretty 3x4s. Oop, sorry, running into things on my desk in front of me. Okay, then we have this super cute, I don't even know what to call this type of paper, but it's got all the things on it. All the things paper. That's what it is. This, I think, is my favorite. I love this paper. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's like a teal kind of minty color. It's really pretty. Love, love, love. I love this one too. This one you could totally punch out these circles. They look like they're probably a 1-inch punch. I don't know if I even have a 1-inch punch. I think I have a 1.5 and a 2-inch. Of course I don't have a 1-inch, right? But you could totally cut these out. They're just so pretty, and you could use them as layers or embellishments, and just, they're perfect. The other hard part of that is, of course, it's on a gorgeous wood grain. They always tend to do that, right? Put the 2 good papers on the same one and then only give you one. Okay, so this is another cut apart sheet, and this one has 8 3x4s and 2 4x6s. These are super cute. You make me happy. I love that one. Happy Day. I love that too. So cute. And then I love the color of this. I don't know if you guys can, like, if my video is picking it up, but it's like a deep kind of pinkish red. It's so pretty. Just gorgeous. Okay, then we have the flower market. Super pretty. It's kind of what it looks like, right? Just a flower market. You can walk through the aisles. And then we got this pretty pink. That is super pretty. Again, I don't know if the video is picking it up very well, but it's really gorgeous. Another floral. Super pretty. This one would be fun to like fussy cut. Oh man, I might have to do that. I'm not the biggest fussy cutter, but these flowers are gorgeous. And then this background is really gorgeous too. Another striped pink. This one's pink and off-white. And then this one is a 2x2 cut apart sheet. It's got some pretty ones on there. And these ones don't repeat. So you could totally cut up this whole sheet and have a ton of different embellishments to go along with the kit. And then there's this gorgeous floral. Look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, and then here's another flower market. You could just walk down the aisles and go shopping. And then this is a pretty, like a deep pink, kind of reddish with some polka dots. I don't know if you guys can even see that if the camera is picking up the polka dots, but it's really, really pretty. It is nighttime right now, so the lighting in my room really isn't the best, so I apologize about that. I need to save up to get some really good lights. So this is another cute, I like the trucks. I don't really use them as a background though. I like the off-white background with the pattern though. That would have been a pretty one. I just never know what to do with these types of backgrounds. If you guys have a special trick on what to do with a background like this or how you use it, I would love you to leave me a comment and tell me how you use these papers because I have such a hard time with them. Oh, and then we have a really gorgeous just gingham plaid. Here's a border paper. Be yourself. Life is too short to be someone else. I love that. Ah, I can't pick it up. Super cute. I like this one with all of the names of the flowers. And then this says, if you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Apparently Vincent van Gogh said that. Oh, and this one is super pretty. You know what would go really well on this piece of paper? This would be a great sheet to do like New Year or, you know, and then have like a photo of me on there and then maybe put my goals on there for the year or something. I think I'm totally going to do that with this one. So I just need to have my husband take a picture of me because I haven't taken a picture of myself this year. I could do a selfie. Maybe I'll try to take a nice selfie. Okay, then we have this flower market one, walking down the aisle. See, I have a hard time with these ones too. Super, super pretty, but I don't even know what to do with it. And then here's another pretty teal, kind of minty background with some flowers. Okay, so those are all of the papers. Then the paper kit comes with a pretty sticker sheet. So this one, I'll kind of bring it up close. This is for Flower Market as well. And it's got a ton of little stickers. There's a banner there. There's lots of little just words. Bloom, grow, friends, flower garden, lovely. Just lots of little pretty phrases and things. Gather the ones you love. I love that one. Here's a nice tag. Just there's so much here. And then there's 2 border stickers, which will be nice to use. Bloom and Grow. So this will be really, really fun to use with some spring pictures. It's the end of January. Well, when I'm recording it's the end of January. So I'm already all wintered out, and I definitely am ready to move on to springtime. So this is the perfect kit for this month to be using in February, and I just cannot wait to get started. Okay, so now that I showed you the paper kit, I'm going to show you the upgrade kit. Now this kit does come at an extra cost, but both of these kits are super affordable and they're just awesome. So first off, we have these Studio 12 dimensional stickers, and there are 9 of them. So I will just bring those up close so you can look at them. These moments, friends forever, and then cherish, happy times, dreams, love together, and beauty. So those are super fun. Then we have some Heidi Swapp washi stickers. So those will be kind of fun to include as layers. And then last but definitely not least, we have this gorgeous Bow Bunny Noteworthy ephemera pack. Now I'm going to pull all of these out so you can see each and every one of these because I don't want you to miss it. I don't really buy Bow Bunny a lot, but this will be kind of fun to use and to challenge myself to use. Like, it is super, super gorgeous. Look at that. I could use this for my goals layout. Oh my goodness. That would be perfect to write out goals on. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. So perfect for that. And then we have this tag that says Bloom. Here's some butterflies and birds and flowers. Here's a big bouquet that says Bloom where you were planted. Super pretty. Some more butterflies and flowers. And here's a bird. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. A teacup. Haha. It kind of looked like a hat for a second there. I was a little confused. Another butterfly. Some flowers. Another bird. A clock. And then here's a few banners. Perfect. I love banners. If you know me, you know that I love banners. I often cut my own banners. And then more butterflies and flowers. Here's another clock. Oh, here's a tea kettle. That's what that is called. Another teacup there. Some more flowers. Butterflies. Butterflies and flowers galore. That is the theme of this ephemera pack. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Early bird. My kids are definitely early birds. That's super cute. I should probably do a layout talking about how my kids take after my husband, who can never sleep in. Seriously, like he wakes up at like 5 or 6 a.m. every morning and cannot fall back to sleep, and it drives me insane because then he gets up and he has to be moving and working and doing things, and I'm just like, hello, the rest of us are trying to sleep. Yeah, he cannot sleep in. It drives me insane, and my boys have taken after him. So this is the upgrade kit. Sorry, the word totally got lost in my mind. This is the upgrade kit. Make sure you use my link below if you want to go subscribe or make a purchase on the store shop. I will leave all the links below. Thank you so much for coming by and checking out this kit with me today. I am so excited to start posting layouts. I will try to have one posted soon so that you can see me using this kit and show you how awesome it is. I'm super excited to make a goals layout definitely, now that I've seen all of these ephemera and just everything. So now I have to take the perfect photo for my goals layout. Do you guys make goals layouts every year? I never used to, but I think 2017, I think, was my first year that I actually made a layout where I wrote down all of my goals. And they have become one of my favorite layouts to make at the beginning of the year. So I need to get going because we're now in February. It's not, you know, the super beginning of the year anymore. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, check out my links below, and I will see you guys very, very soon with some layout process videos. Bye!